Is your Whirlpool refrigerator not cooling? Before spending money on repairs, try these simple checks that fix many cooling problems fast. Most cooling issues are caused by dirty condenser coils, blocked airflow, incorrect temperature settings, faulty fans, or a damaged door seal. When your refrigerator can't stay cold, food can spoil quickly, electricity costs can increase, and the compressor has to work much harder. Start by checking the temperature settings. Set the refrigerator to 37 degrees Fahrenheit and the freezer to 0 degrees Fahrenheit for the best performance. Next, inspect the condenser coils underneath or behind the refrigerator. If they're covered in dust, clean them with a vacuum or coil brush. These coils release heat from inside the refrigerator. When they're dirty, heat gets trapped, making cooling much less efficient. Also, make sure food isn't blocking the air vents. Cold air needs to move freely between the freezer and refrigerator compartments. Now listen for the evaporator fan inside the freezer. If you don't hear it running while the compressor is on, the fan may need replacement. Check the condenser fan near the compressor. It should spin freely and help remove heat from the condenser coils. Inspect the door gasket carefully. Cracks, tears, or gaps allow warm air inside, forcing the refrigerator to run longer than necessary. Don't forget to leave several inches of space behind the refrigerator. Good airflow around the appliance improves cooling and extends its lifespan. If frost covers the freezer's back panel, the automatic defrost system may have failed, restricting airflow throughout the refrigerator. If you've checked the settings, cleaned the coils, verified the fans, and inspected the seals, but cooling is still poor, the compressor, start relay, or thermostat could be faulty. Simple maintenance solves many Whirlpool cooling problems, but electrical or sealed system repair should be handled by a qualified appliance technician. If this guide helped you fix your Whirlpool refrigerator, like this video, subscribe for more repair tips, comment your issue, and share this video with others.